Okay, everybody, we decided to test our soap, and Trixie is going to suds up with the beeswax honey soap.
It feels great.
You saw what she saw. She's just barely...
Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it feels so luxurious on my skin. I cannot believe it.
There you go.
Oh,
there
it
she
smells
great.
You know, for an unscented soap, it actually has a very nice scent. It's very nice.
I think it's the oats and possibly the honey and the beeswax coming through.
And let me just tell you, this squeaky clean feeling, I love that.
That's what good soap ought to do. It ought to cleanse and leave you squeaky clean.
And then we're gonna let that.
We're gonna trade cameras. We're gonna trade turns. Okay, my turn. My turn. Let's see. Let's see what's okay, here we go.
You see that? You see that?
Oh my goodness. There we go.
Look at all that lather. Oh my goodness. She's a washer, let me tell you. She must have some germs in her hands. Rubbing hands like she's
I
a
can't
doctor.
possibly. I wash so much during the day.
She's like a doctor over here. Going into surgery.
I want to show them.
Look at that.
Oh, there we go. There we go. This.
Wow. And how's it feel?
Like this. It feels. It feels. Oh, it feels amazing. And I definitely smell the oats, and I think I'm smelling the what am I trying to say? There you go, guys.
Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh wow. That's really good. That's a good bar of soap right there.
And hot process. Ready to go. We're going to let the bars dry out for a little bit. Now get rid of some of that moisture. Feel that? Hear that? That's squeaky clean.
Love it.
That ain't zestfully clean. That's Trixie and Lovie squeaky clean.
That's a heck of a good bar soap right there.
That's our soap.